Welcome to this overview of the Trend Pro Power Lines 1 indicator. In this video, we will explain how this invite-only TradingView indicator works and how traders can use the different signals, trend lines, and moving averages to better understand market direction, momentum, and possible trend changes. The Trend Pro Power Lines indicator was designed to simplify chart analysis by combining multiple technical signals into one easy-to-read system. It can be used for markets such as stocks, SPY options, crypto, Forex, and futures. Let's start with the white triangle signals. The indicator displays white triangles when a candle closes across the 20-period moving average. An upward triangle can indicate a possible shift toward bullish momentum, while a downward triangle can indicate a possible shift toward bearish momentum. When multiple triangles appear close together, it may represent a consolidation area where the market is pausing before the next potential move. Next, we have the call and put momentum labels. The small green call label indicates that the indicator is identifying bullish conditions, with upward trend momentum developing. The small red put label indicates bearish conditions, showing downward momentum and possible weakness in price action. When the labels change from call to put or put to call, it can help identify a possible momentum shift or weakening trend. Now, let's look at the major trend change signals. The large green cross-up rocket label appears when a candle crosses above and closes above the purple trend line. This can indicate a possible beginning of a new bullish trend and increasing upward momentum. The large red cross-down parachute label appears when a candle crosses below and closes below the purple and yellow striped trend line. This can indicate a possible beginning of a new bearish trend and increasing selling pressure. The indicator also includes the 20 moving average and 50 moving average for additional trend confirmation. When candles are trading above the moving averages, this generally indicates bullish conditions. When candles are below the moving averages, this generally indicates bearish conditions. The moving average color relationship also helps confirm trend direction. When the green moving average is above the red moving average, the market trend is considered bullish. When the red moving average is above the green moving average, the market trend is considered bearish. Traders can combine these signals together to identify possible trend continuation, momentum changes, breakout opportunities, and potential reversal areas. Remember, no indicator can predict the future, and all trading involves risk. The Trend Pro Power Lines 1 indicator is designed as a technical analysis tool to help traders make more informed decisions when combined with proper risk management and a complete trading strategy. For more information about custom TradingView indicators, indicator bundles, and Discord trading alerts, check the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more TradingView indicator tutorials, trading strategies, and market analysis tools.